This is Mahathir thinking that he is tasting his own medicine. Because when he was running the country, that's what he used to do. He will go after his political opponents. Kroni-kroni dia semua dia save. So sekarang ni, pasal anak dia kena dulu, semua kena dulu. Jadi dia kata, orang lain tak investigated. How you know what MACC is investigating and what is not? So sekarang ni, apa yang unfairnya investigate MIRZAN? Bukannya MIRZAN ditahan reman. Bukannya MIRZAN being charged in court pun. Dia investigate. What harm is there to investigate? So anybody who cry foul over being investigated means they got something to hide lah. Kalau tak ada apa, kalau boleh declare assets, declare je lah. MIRZAN declare assets. These are my assets. These are my business. These are legit business. I paid taxes. Dah, happy? Okay, leave me alone now. Done. So therefore, once investigate, tak ada case, it strengthens Mahathir punya narrative that dia tak corrupt. Nampak tak? Kalau dia boleh prove tu. Maknanya dia boleh kata, MIRZAN was investigated by MACC. Minta semua. He cooperated everything. And MACC also cannot find anything on him. So, therefore, I am clean as a whistle. Mahathir can even assert that. Kalau benda tu can backfire on the Madani government. Jadi, kenapa nak cry foul? There is an opportunity for Mahathir to clear his name. Kalau MIRZAN is investigated and they find nothing on MIRZAN. So, all they ask is for him to declare his assets, all his wealth, by Wednesday. What's so difficult? If MIRZAN has so much money, bermillion-million, don't tell me he doesn't have accountants and officers that can just detail out everything, siap satu docket, bagi semua pada MACC. Bagi semua all the tax return semua. Everything is fine. Tapi kalau ada corner tak bayar tax ke, evade tax ke, ataupun ada hanky-panky punya business ke, then siap lah. So that yang bagi semak perut lah. Pasal kau tak boleh buat. So kau kena panggil MACC, pergilah sekejap, what's the issue? Pergi and just clear your name. Because benda tu dah report, dah keluar dalam Panama report dah. So after that is done, Mahathir akan tanya, okay, what about the rest? Bila nak investigate? Investigate lah semua tu. So kalau nak investigate siapa-siapa, you can pursue. Tapi jangan complain kalau you punya anak atau you kena investigated. It's just investigation. Faham tak? Lepas tu dia buat juga statement kata Zahid. Macam Zahid, DNAA. Instead of you kata lepas, DNAA is not lepas. DNAA is tunggu sekejap dulu. Okay, I nak reset. I may charge you again. I need to do some more work. That's what DNAA means. So, tanyalah. Instead of you bising, haping, kata kroni you terlepas, dia tak terlepas. You tanya lah, bila nak pursue DNAA Zahid tu? Bila Zahid punya all the 11 cogent reasons, the reasons why the case had to be discharged, not amounting to acquittal, nak kena investigate lagi lah, nak kena buat RCI lah, nak kena buka kertas siasatan lah. So, apa cerita tu? Pursue that. Kalau you boleh pursue that and dia tak boleh jawab, then you can expose the hypocrisy of Madani government. Janganlah level this government hypocrite before you even test that. Do that first. Zahid ke siapakah. So, all the other cases yang you tahu, siapa? William Leong lah, Zahid lah, Zafrul lah. So, again, minta penjelasan. You are very connected to the opposition kan? Minta penjelasan dalam parlimen. What is happening to that? So, janganlah cry foul MIRZAN kena investigated. You bising dalam parlimen. Dalam parlimen, opposition tanya, okay, what is happening to that? Tak investigate ke? Kenapa tak investigate? Kenapa MIRZAN you investigate, yang ni tak investigate? Then, let Saifuddin respond. Kata, it's being done in turn. Semua akan berlaku. So, they go step by step. So, sekarang Daim dah kena investigated. MIRZAN is being investigated. Ismail Sabri may be investigated juga. So, it doesn't matter if it so happens that is the opposition punya orang. Doesn't matter lah dia nak investigate ini dulu ke, itu dulu ke. Point is, kalau there's nothing to hide, there is no fire, then there shouldn't be any smoke. Faham tak? But if there's a smoke, there must be fire somewhere. Jadi kalau you takut sangat kena investigated and trying to politicize and trying to topple the government, trying to, make sure this government jatuh because don't want to be investigated, lagilah kita suspect. Memanglah something you have got to hide. So lepas ni bila dah investigate, jumpa something, oh, tak fair you prosecute me, orang lain pun buat sama. That will be the narrative lah. That will be the line of argument. The music that he will sing, oh, pasal apa anak aku je yang buat salah, kena. Orang lain buat salah, tak apa. That will be the next narrative. For now, unfair. Pasal investigate anak dia saja, tak investigate orang lain. This Mahathir is predictable like a book.
if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.